Right, what are we doing today?
We're gonna go check the cows.
Gonna go check the cows, because what happened? You don't know. That's
Can you
right.
tell me?
Well, we had no water last night.
Oh yeah.
So, having no water last night means one thing around here.
The cows ran out of water.
Well, the cows also ran out of water, that's right. But I bet you they've broken their float off their water trough, and all the water out of our tank has gone on the ground up at the cows. So we're gonna go check, eh?
Yeah.
We'll go over again to see what we can see. I think you can. Go on, give it a go. There you go. You'll figure it out.
Okay.
Righto. Come on, man. Oh, get out and she'll get it. What's going on here, champion?
It's too hard.
Why is it too hard?
I don't know.
Oh, you just... Oh, actually, you might be right. This one is a prick. Oh, get in the car. What are you doing to me? Got to get out and open my own gates. What do you think? What I had kids in the first place? Huh? What do you think I had kids in the first place? Open gates. Not half bad. Now I'm out here opening gates. Out here opening gates and I'm getting kicked out of the driver's seat. How you going with the champion?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Pretty good.
Up here to the next gate, please. See the gate up there?
No.
Right, up there near that tree.
Are you gonna tell Mum I'm driving this?
Oh, do you want me to?
Yes.
Yes. We might get there before sundown. Before the cows run out of water. Oh, put some pedal on it, mate. Put some pedal on it. Bit of herbs. Whoa.
So this is the go button?
Yeah, that's the go button. I think we found a problem.
What?
We found a water leak.
Yeah.
We found the water overflowing. But I just don't think this is enough to drain a tank. It doesn't look like... Oh, it could be. Oh yeah, look. I see. The bung out of the bottom of her. That cheeky little fella there. Oh. That's why I had no water last night to have a shower. Hey, like you there, young fella. I see. Hey, fuck off, mum. I'm not happy about it. But we're gonna go fix it. Because we can't have all that water just running like that. So, better go have a look. I have to go out and get my truck driving boots wet. God, how deep's this going to be, yeah? Wow. Fucking hell. Why? Fucking, that's salt. I'm going to slip over here. Okay. I scooped a big whole bit of water in my fucking shoe. Not ideal. Alright, what have you done with the fucking plug? Hey? You fucking... Alright, so I'm going to get a plug off the old other one. That's not working because it was leaking like a fuck. And I think the stockies just said, fuck that, it's too much work. we'll just let the cows push the fence over and get a drink from the one next door. Oh yeah. Aircon in the fucking eye, that's no good. Oh, here comes one of the stockies now. Oh, I got no got no water down there, mate. That's right, I'm fixing it, bro. It's all good. Alright, cow's fixed up.
Yeah.
Water's not leaking anymore. I've got a boot full of cow poo water. Ugh. Yeah, one of the stockies showed up right when it's fixed. That's all good. I did tell them this morning that we ran out of water and whatever. I'll go up and sort it out after I have some breakfast. But they come and rest it at the right time, yeah? Anyway, that's water fixed. That's water fixed. That's a driving lesson done. We'll check.
I want to have another one.
Maybe. No. We're going home. Oh. We'll do driving lessons again later. Took us an hour to get up here.
Seriously?
Alright, we're out of here. See you, bye.
Bye.
Righto, we're back at the gate again. You reckon you got this time?
Maybe. We'll try. But don't go when I'm not in the car.
You gotta wait, you gotta open the gate, wait for me to drive through and then I'll help you close it. Thank you. See you, bye. Have a wonderful time. Let me slam it up. I can slam you. Look at that. Other way, dingus. Other way. Other way. Yeah, other way. Other way. Oh. There's not a thought between those fucking ears, is there? Push it! Push it! Push it! Oh dear. Thanks, mate. Thanks, brother. Thanks, mate. Cheers, son. Oh, God, lover. Yeah, good job, champion. You fucking weapon. Right, that will do us. That's it. That's the end of her. That's fucking